Check the tread depth. How much tread depth do we need anyways? Well, research suggests that a tire with anything less than 4/32 of an inch tread depth may lose approximately 50% of its ability to stick to the roadways at highway speeds on minimally wet highways. So that means we want to teach our teenager to have at least 4/32 of an inch tread depth, and we can measure it by using a quarter. Have our teenager place a quarter inside the grooves with George Washington's head facing down. If any part of George Washington's powdered wig is covered up, then we have more than 4/32 of an inch tread depth. Put the quarter into several grooves of the tire to see if our tread is wearing evenly. If we notice that our tread isn't wearing evenly, then it could be a sign that our car's steering alignment might be off, or our tires may not be properly inflated now or at some point in the past. Tire pressure. Let me start off by saying that it's not just me that thinks having properly inflated tires is important. In 2008, car manufacturers were mandated by federal regulators to install sensors in all new passenger cars and trucks that measure each tire's pressure. A dashboard light comes on anytime a tire's pressure falls below 25% of the recommended inflation pressure. Here's some reasons why we want to maintain properly inflated tires. Remember how we want to keep our contact patch at its maximum size? Well, properly inflated tires will do that. When a tire is underinflated, the contact patch shrinks, and most of the tire's contact with the road is on its outer edge. When a tire is overinflated, the contact patch also shrinks, as most of the tire's contact with the road is in the center of the tire. Better fuel economy. Okay, I'm sure we've heard this one over and over and over again. But if not, think about this. Say if our tire's recommended pressure is 32 psi, pounds per square inch, and we're driving on it while it's at 24 psi, not only is this dangerous, but we are also consuming 20% more fuel than we normally would if our tires were properly inflated. Finally, better handling. Turns put stress on a tire, and an underinflated tire will lose its grip going around a corner more easily than a properly inflated one.